This is a MapsIndoors tutorial on managing categories in the CMS. Categories are a way to group or organize locations for easier searching in your application. To create a category, click on Categories in the CMS menu and then New Category. I'm currently managing the White House map, so let's say visitors need a way to search for different eating options at the White House. I'll add a category for food and click Create. Now let's go to Locations to assign our newly created category to the applicable locations. I can either edit a location from the map view or the list view. In the list view, I'll search for food and add the food category to the food truck and click Save. I'm also going to add the food category to the vending machine in the White House lobby, as well as the dining room. Notice the dining room has multiple categories assigned to it, which means a user will see the dining room when they search in any of these categories. To make the new category visible, go to App Configuration and scroll to the bottom. From here, I can make the food category visible, assign an icon, and change the order in which categories are viewed. Now the new category is visible in the MapsIndoors standard application, and it's also available for use in our SDKs. For more information, visit us at MapsPeople.com.